Today we're making easy 2-ingredient chocolate covered pretzels in our Dining on a Dime cookbook on page 260. For this recipe, you're going to need a package of chocolate chips or a package of almond bark. If you use the almond bark, these have a nice little handy tray that you can just melt the almond bark right in the tray, and you don't even need to dirty a bowl. Take your pretzel, dip it in your chocolate, let it drain off. I like to do about halfway. Put it on your baking sheet. You can also use white chocolate if you would like. Then take your candy sprinkles and sprinkle them all over the melted chocolate. And don't forget, when your candy has dried, you can save your sprinkles to use on another Christmas candy. If you want to eat better and spend less, please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Go to livingonadime.com. This recipe is in the link in the description below. Boing.